Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. Let's learn some colors name. Gray color, pink color, light pink color, yellow color, orange color, black color, dark blue color, brown color, red color, violet color, sky blue color, green color. Let's learn alphabets, capital letters. Alphabet A. A for apple. A for apple. A for apple. A, B, B, L, E, apple. A for apple. B, B for banana. B, A, N, A, N, A, banana. B for banana. C, C for carrot. C, A, R, R, O, T, carrot. C for carrot. Let's revise again. A for apple. B for banana. C for carrot. Hello guys, let's learn the alphabets and colors name. Dark blue color, light pink color, green color, pink color, orange color, black color, yellow color, gray color, brown color, violet color, red color, sky blue color. Now we are going to learn the alphabet's capital letters and the words. D, D for door. D for door. D, O, O, R, door. D for door. E, E for egg. E, G, G, egg. E for egg. F, F for food. F for food. F, double O, D, food. F for food. F for food. Now let's revise again. D for door, E for egg, F for food. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel. Bye bye. Hello guys. Welcome back to my new video. Let's learn the colors name and small letters. Red color, orange color, pink color, dark blue color, yellow color, pink color, violet color, black color, gray color, brown color, green color, sky blue color. Let's learn alphabets, small letters. Alphabet E, small letter A. A for apple. B. B for box. C. C for carrot. D. D for dragon. E. E for egg. F. F for fish. G. G for girl. H. H for hand. I for ice cube. J. J for jug. K. K for king. L. L for lemon. M. M for mango. N. N for nose. O. O for octopus. P. P for pillow. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rest. S. S for square. T. T for triangle. U. U for universe. V. V for vehicle. W. W for water. X. X for X-ray. Y. Y for yogurt. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Let's revise again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel. Bye bye. See you in my next video.